Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Chainlink update. And Chainlink seems like it is being released out of the chain. It's breaking the chains, okay? It is a beast that maybe now the chain is getting, it's being torn out of the chains. It's being released out of the chain. You know, when a beast is out of the chains, it tries to break with a huge force right now. And to me, Chainlink hasn't performed yet. Like it's been a worst performer throughout 2021, but who knows 2022 the story can be different. Now I'm going to talk about this one in detail and where it's trying to move up. So basically you do have this cup right there and you're potentially breaking out of the handle right here. Do you see that? So you have a cup and handle, and I'm going to tell you the technical target from there to there. This is where you're breaking out, and I do see Chainlink going to the $29 region. Yeah, so what it could do possibly is, go to 29, come back to 26 again, and then continue like this to the upside. All right, so I'm gonna go for the bird's view as well on the daily, and here I am on the daily time frame, and now I'm gonna zoom out of everything right there, and we're gonna talk about this bird's view. And look at this, guys. Look at this. You are at the absolute bottom. You are where you're supposed to be buying Chainlink right now. So you have one touch here, one touch there, one touch absolutely at the very, 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 very bottom. Okay, and as a matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you how many days it takes to go to the upside. So let's say you were down here and then this is your top. So how many days was this? So this one was from March 2020 and the top appeared in August 2020. So it's gonna take like some few more months, but potentially like 2, 3, 4, 5 months, and then you're going to see that rise to the $200 region, which is going to be your top right there. Do you see that? It's doing everything to actually try to go to the $200 region. And I'm going to actually take the fibs once again. I've talked about this one before, but I'm just going to do this again with you. And look at this. You have the 1.61 sitting at the 109, and then you have the 2 also near the 172, and then you have $238. So can it go to this $238? Because that's where your top really appears to be, the top of the mountain is. So that would be a very nice good gain for Chainlink. And Chainlink, I believe it can do that easily. I do believe it can do that, but it's going to take a lot of time before it actually goes there. And one more thing about Chainlink is on the monthly, and I did recognize this pattern on the monthly as well, and that's actually a badass pattern right now. So the last time this one appeared, damn, Chainlink just took off completely. Do you see this hammer right there and this hammer down here, and then you see this some sort of a Marubozi candlestick, and then you have this, it's mirroring this particular candlestick right now, and you can see it just stayed in an uptrend for the next 4 months. Okay, and this one can stay in an uptrend for the 5 to 4 months as well. And damn, it's looking good. It's looking good on the charts, but it's gonna be a slow riser in my opinion. But the worth is the wait is actually worth it for Chainlink. And let's see what it does. Let's see how it performs in the next coming few days. Now there are some few technical analysts who are saying that Chainlink has some sort of a decision actually that is pending, and maybe that decision is the fact that you have this particular resistance right there. Do you see that? That's a resistance that is going to have and go up to nearly the $30 region and maybe hit its head once again at the 30. But then again, if this is a decision that has to be pending out of this resistance line, then you're going to have the decision by 2-3 months, and then from 2-3 months you really are completely going to continue to the upside. But right now, look man, it's at the very bottom, came to the downfall, and I do see a nice good rise in the next coming 4 to 5 months, potentially go to back to the $200 region area by April. In my opinion, it could do 10x. Finger crossed. Let's see. It's looking amazing, and that's the only thing that you really need to know right now. Okay, so we're looking for $30 from 26 here, or $29 potentially, and then from there a slow rise to $200 on the long run. Let's look what 2022 has in store for Chainlink as well, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.